Hello everyone, and today we're doing a quick review on Keysearch. You see, Keysearch, as you can see, is a content assistant that is AI content generation tool. It helps to create an article online. You can create article headings, content generation tab. You can see it, AI content models, so much more. This can help you generate AI content, use AI content, and so much more. It really is one of the best for content generation. So you can start growing your organic traffic today. Get started. Join thousands of successful websites using Keysearch for keyword search, competition analysis, and content optimization. So click here. You want to get started. If you want to learn more, click on learn more. So that's it. The resources are free SEO tools, free keyword lists, SEO crash course, tutorials, affiliate programs, and what are you waiting for? Research, analyze, and write content that grows your website traffic. Get started with Keysearch today.